Okay, so Valve have made some changes to the R8 Revolver already. It was way too powerful. It's still a pretty powerful gun, but they've reduced the damage slightly. So I found somewhere between 77 and 99 chest shots. Jeez, guys. Oh, that was a kill. Generally, I just finished around the headshots. Still carry quite a bit of damage. We have a look in the console. The headshots are still 306. Chest shots 76, 76, 77, 99. So that guy died. They have actually reduced the damage there, which makes the game better. It's still, in my opinion, could do with a bit more reduction on that. And also, they've made it a little bit longer to shoot, so the shoot time is a little bit longer than originally. But at the end of the day, at least they're doing something about it.